Hello guys! Welcome again to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about the second law of thermodynamics. And here's our sample problem. A refrigeration system must cool mangoes at a rate of 175 kg per hour from 34 to 19 degrees Celsius. The refrigerator receives a 1200 watts power input. The mango has the specific heat of 2.75 kJ per kilogram degrees Celsius above the freezing point. Find the cooling rate in kilojoule per second, as well as the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. So for the first question, we are asked to find the cooling rate. So note that our formula for the heat rejected to low temperature medium is mass with respect to time times the Cp, or the constant pressure, times the T1 minus T2, which is the temperature. So QL is equal to 175 kg per hour times 2.75 kJ per kilogram degree Celsius times the quantity of the temperature, which is 34 minus 19 degrees Celsius. So our QL is equal to 7,218.75 kJ per hour. Since we need to convert it as our first question requires us to convert it into kilojoule per second. So we all know that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So we'll divide it into this. So we'll get QL is equal to 2.0052 kilojoule per second. So next, for our second question, the COP of the refrigerator. So COP of refrigerator is equal to the QL over work. So 2.0052 kilowatt over 1.2 kilowatt. So that is 1.2 kilowatt because we converted 1200 watts. So we converted it in order to cancel the unit. So our COP is equal to 1.67, and that is our final answer.